Hello, good people. You are watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. This is another episode of House Tours here in Nakuru. Today, I am presenting the best finished apartment here in Nakuru. All right. I mean, for anyone who wants to build an apartment in Nakuru going forward, you need to come here and take notes. So now, before we go inside, the folks here at Rhema Apartments, they have provided ample parking space, all right, for residents and visitors. So now let's keep moving, Danka, from the outside. I mean, just look at the paintwork outside, all right? Their choice is really super. I really like it. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments. There are 3 blocks. There's this one here at the corner, that one, and this one here. The reason why nimekwambia hivyo is because the prices for the blocks vary. We'll talk about the prices later. I want you to see what we have here, and then we'll talk about price. Inside one of the units, the door here, okay, this is wide enough, you know, for bringing in things. Now, I'm inside the lounge, okay? I'm inside the lounge. It's a very spacious space for a 6-seater, even a 7-seater, as long as you won't have any other, you know, items, you know, getting in the way. Apart from that, there's a socket here. So these guys, by the way, they have DSTV, all right? So the apartment is DSTV ready. Look at the window. Look at the window here. You know, for those folks who like large windows, look at the window. This is really beautiful. We have some nice wall lamps here. Bring your bulbs. These ones, we just put them for the ease of this video. But bring your bulbs and put in the wall lamps. Now, out here we have a private balcony, all right, a private balcony. And I call it private because each block, when you are here, you can't access there. Whoever is there, they can't access here, all right? So it is a private balcony. And look, see how wide it is, all right? Pretty wide, a cool space for you to come out here and chill and just have a cool breeze as you watch the cars on the road. Higher, let's continue. So straight on, we come to the common toilet, straight ahead, okay? Now, I really like the theme, all right, of this apartment. I mean, just look at the color combination. I mean, the paintwork of the door and the tiles here, and even down. Nothing is shouting here. You know, I've gotten these folks, I've realized that folks really like things that are uniform, all right? You go to other apartments and you find they have put, I don't know, the sitting room, it has this color of tiles, the bedroom, this color, the dining area, this color. But here, I mean, it is really simple. They really looked for something that blends. Sawa? Okay, so on my left, we go to the kitchen. Look at the size of this kitchen, just standard, all right? It's a standard kitchen. There's a space for a cooker here. Exactly, just like I sensed. There's another socket here for a fridge, so your fridge can stand here and the cooker there. Space above there, you know, for the cabinetry namna hiyo. Alafu even more storage down here. A sink there looking all neat. Out of the kitchen, we have another balcony here. Very spacious again. Okay, and there are grills here, you know, for security. Perhaps you have your kids here and maybe they were just playing. These grills here, you know, they offer security. They can't jump outside accidentally. And there's a tap here for your washing machine. And again, this balcony is also another private balcony because there's a wall here and there's another wall there. Whoever is on that side or on that side, they can't, you know, peep into your business. Let's check out the bedrooms. Very well, so that's the master bedroom and this is the kids' bedroom, the guest bedroom rather. Now, in this apartment, they have actually done things differently, all right, from many others. In many other apartments, you'll find that the master bedroom is actually larger than the kids' bedroom. But here, this bedroom is larger than that one, and for the obvious reasons, all right? So the reason behind is that perhaps you have maybe 3 kids, you know, even 4 kids. So here, 2 4x6 beds will fit in here, all right? Meaning this place can accommodate up to 4 people. Okay, the wardrobes there, namna hiyo. The organization is good for folding clothes and for hanging clothes. On that side, there's a shoe rack down there, shelves here, and more storage up there. There's a large window there for natural light, okay? And very well, I'm inside the master bedroom, okay? It's a spacious space still. A 6x6 will fit in here. No doubt. Now, I like this idea that they added, all right, these side windows here. Somebody else might have just gone with this one alone, but the architect here thought, you know what, we are not going to waste this space with just a wall all through. So I really like that for more light inside the room. This is the toilet for the master bedroom, yes. And look. Okay, really nice sliding door hapo. Now, the toilet seat is this side and the shower area on that side, and I love that again. You know, there's a mirror there and a sink. Okay, so let's go outside. Let me show you what more we have here. So overall, inside the house, I really like the theme here. I mean, the paintwork that they choose, it is really easy. You know, it's easy on the eyes, and even on the floor, the same. The tiles are not busy. You know, I've gone to many apartments where folks say, oh, I don't like the tiles, you know. But this one here, really simple. That is something that I really like. And the finishing, I mean, just see, look at this door, all right? There is no this paint touching the doors here. You know, some houses you find they were painting here and then it touched this door, so you wonder, okay, is this, you know? So the finishing here was really top notch. Let's check out the rooftop. Okay, that is another very interesting part of this apartment. Very well, so I am on the rooftop, and this is one place that I really love here. The views are just majestic, okay? So from up here I can see the road. So this apartment straight ahead is just 150 meters to the pipeline Mzee Wanyama tarmacked road, okay? And behind me there I can see the neighbors kule namna hiyo, and even more interesting, that is the Lake Nakuru National Park. So in the evenings, man, you just come out here on the rooftop, you chill, and you can always watch the buffaloes there as they graze, you know, from that side going that side. You know, every evening they come from that side going that side. And what's more here, I've seen some sockets there, meaning actually while you relax up here, you can, you know, you can make use of these sockets. You can plug in your phone there, and yeah, maybe you even wanted to work in the evening. Now I've seen some internet cables here. Okay, I forgot to tell you, the house again is internet ready. So there is Wi-Fi and there is DSTV. I can see some water pumps, okay? Some water meters, sorry, not pumps, meters, okay? So each house has got an individual meter. So you will pay your water, which is borehole water. Again, let me make that clear. Every end of the month you pay as per usage. Sawa. In terms of security, I mean, the entire apartment is surrounded by a perimeter wall. In addition, on top of that perimeter wall, there is the electric fence, all right? And then there is also CCTV, all right? So you can imagine there is somebody watching, all right, whoever is coming in and going out, which is actually really nice, okay, for security. Sindio. Anyway, so up to that point, how do you find it? How do you like this space? All right, for me, this is the best finished apartment that I've seen here in Nakuru. It is really simple but classy. Okay, so what about you? Let me know in the comments. Like I told you, like I usually tell you, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA, ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. And now I have done my job. Over to you. Ball is in your court. Ring my number and we will come here and you book your unit. See you in the next one.